Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
The governors of various planets spoke as follows. Dear Lord, we believe only in our direct perception, but under the circumstances we do not know whether we have actually seen you with our material senses. By our material senses we can simply perceive the cosmic manifestation, but you are beyond the 5 elements. You are the 6th. We see you, therefore, as a creation of the material world. The governors of the various planets are certainly materially opulent and very puffed up. Such persons are unable to understand the transcendental, eternal form of the Lord. In the Brahm Samhita it is stated that only persons who have anointed their eyes with love of Godhead can see the personality of Godhead in every step of their activities. Also, in the prayers of Kunti it is stated that only those who are akinkana gokaram, who are not materially puffed up, can see the supreme personality of Godhead. Others are bewildered and cannot even think of the absolute truth.